A patent abstract? Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And you made it to our patent abstract and how to draft an abstract. What is an abstract? Well, this is a part of a formal utility non-provisional patent application that must be submitted as part of the written specification. Why do you have to have an abstract? Well, this is so that everyday people, the standard of art, the people that may be looking for patents in the future can find and understand the majority of what you're eventually going to be claiming. The abstract is not what you own, but it is going to be a sort of a summary of what it is that you've invented so that the layperson, someone can read through quickly and understand what the basis of your invention is, the subject matter, and what invention you've got. So don't forget to draft that. Check out the article below. There's a lot of details about what you should or should not put into an abstract and how to take advantage of that through the patent prosecution process. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you a great day today. Go big, go bold.